Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express. After me, we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluidart, Bubbles from venomfluidart, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. What I've decided to do today is, quite a while back there was some batches of Aussie Floetrol that were going around that were really thin. Okay, now what happened was they changed manufacturers of the actual product. So they didn't use the same recipe, they changed the recipe up and it ended up being a little bit too thin. Since then they've obviously done some work and it's back to where it should be. But if you ever get some Floetrol that's really thin, which is this one, when you listen to it, it's really, really watery compared to a new bottle, which is quite thick. Alright, so what I'm going to do is show you how you can still use your really watery Floetrol and not have to bin it. So we'll use Amsterdam for the paint. What I'll do is pop this up so it might be easier to see for you all. Where is the camera? About there. Alright, we'll move them to one side. Alright, we'll get a little cup. Now, our thin Floetrol, which is super, super thin. Like this, back that out a bit, makes it easier to see. Alright, we're going to crack that open. Now, with this stuff, I'm just going to put 4 scoops of this in. You can see how watery it is, it's like milk. So 3, 4 of those. Near enough's close enough. Alright, you'll see that is like super, super watery. Compared to our good bottle. Pop the lid off there. Always give these a really good shake before you use them. Alright, so 1. You can still see how thick that is by the way it runs off the spoon. Oop. Blind Freddy. So there's 3, 4. But see how that runs off in a nice stream compared to the other one. Alright, put that to one side. So that's our thick stuff. Pours out a nice stream, then drips off at the end. Our thin stuff, super thin. Now what I usually do for when I make my cell activator is I make it either 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, or 4 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Now what I'll do is grab our Amsterdam paint, pop the lid off. We'll put 1 level blob of that in it. Give it a mix. You can see the colour start to change. It'll all go black. Now it doesn't matter whether you're using black or white or any other colour for your cell activator. It'll still be the same. Alright, so we mix that in. Nice consistency. Leaves a tiny little dot on the surface and then disappears. Alright. For the one that's really thin, all we're going to do is add more paint. So we'll go 1 scoop. Right. Give it another scoop. Like that. And then we'll mix that in. Alright. Now, to me that still seems a little bit too thin. See how it drips off the stick like that. That's got a bit more of a stream to it. Then it starts to drip. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit more black to it. Probably half a scoop. So all you're doing is thicken it up. The cell activator's gone really thin. So you need to compensate for that by adding more paint to it. So we'll mix that up. That's better. Okay. See, it's starting to leave a trail as it comes off the stick. Probably hard to see with it being black, but that's what we'll roll with. So what I will do is put a couple of lids on this. That's our good Floetrol, which is brand new. And this one is our crazy thin Floetrol. So we'll put the lid on that. Let's mark it with a purple dot. Alright, what I'll do is I'll grab a couple of tiles or something and we'll see how they work. Okay, pillow paint. What I'll do is put these over to one side. Alright. So the pillow paint is British Paints, low sheen, interior walls, clean and protect, which is what we use in Australia for this stuff. So I'll just lay some of that on. Okay, grab some colour. Doesn't really matter what colour I'm going to use. I'll just pick something random. So we'll go blob of blue. Some of the purple. Some darker blue. That'll do. Alright, cell activator. Obviously we know the good one is going to work, so we'll start with the good one first. Just add some cell activator to it. Alright, then we'll give it a swipe. Cells. So we know that works. move that over to here. Give this one a little squiggly wiggly through it. Give her a spin. Alright, so we know that's going to work. Obviously, it's a new cell activator, it's going to work no matter what you do. Otherwise, you'd be well and truly upset anyway, because hey, you've just shelled out all that money for Floetrol and it didn't work. Alright, so what we'll do is do the same thing with our pillow paint down first. Okay. Throw some colours down. Pretty blue. It's got a bit of a purple shift to it. Purple. Go a lighter blue. Alright, grab our thin cell activator. Put that on. And it still sells up. So that bottle of thin stuff that I've had there, that is probably, I don't know, 3 or 4 years old. It still works. As long as it's sealed airtight, doesn't really matter, it will still work. So we'll put our little pattern through this one. Give it a spin. I might move that one so I don't launch it. Move that out the way. Right. So that is with the super thin stuff. All I've done is add more paint to it. This is the new bottle. So, I mean, it still works. So don't freak out too much. If you get a thin bottle, it'll still work. So, there you go. Like I said, if you get a thin bottle of Floetrol, don't stress. Just add a little bit more paint. That'll thicken it up. It still works. So, you haven't wasted any money that way. Otherwise, you're going to be throwing it out and you're going to have a lot of buyer's remorse when you're paying, you know, something that's 50 or 60 bucks a litre in the US for a little bottle like that. So it does get expensive. Alright, hopefully you like that one. If you did, hit like, share and subscribe. Bring the notification bell, ding ding, that way you get to see all this crazy stuff as I release it. Up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So click on the name and the title of the video, it'll take you to a channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you to a premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, totally free group, just use the play all list in there. I put it in each and every week, that way you don't get lost. Alright guys, if you've got any questions, drop them in the group. I'll be able to answer them quicker than what I can on YouTube, or drop them in the comments, entirely up to you. Alright, that's it from me, so have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.